Hey, what's up, y'all? Jay from Jay's Lawn Service here. Today, we're going to be replacing the pull cord on a BR 700 Stihl backpack blower. Let's go. So these are all the tools you're going to need to get this done. This is a Stihl tool that comes with, came with the backpack blower. You're going to need a T27 security screw. You're going to need some needle nose pliers, replacement cord. The replacement cord should be measured to 40 inches. You can go longer or shorter, but 40 inches in my experience is perfect. You're going to need a lighter and, of course, the old handle from your old blower. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove these 3 screws with the T27. Now that you've got it off, you got to take this cord out. So we're going to unravel it. So it's all the way. And see this knot right here? This is what you're going to use the needle nose pliers to get a hold of that. Pull it out. Like that. Okay, if you're just replacing the cord, you don't want to mess with any of this stuff, okay? None of it. Now that we've got the old rope removed, next thing we're gonna do is melt this rope real quick, so it's not frayed at the end, so it'll go through smoothly. Both sides. Just like that. So now that you have the old cord removed, what we're going to do next is put in the new cord. It's going to go in here, come out here, and you see this little notch in the pulley? We're going to try to line those up to where your cord goes in here, out here, and into the middle of the pulley. We want it to go through, to see this hole right here? We want to be able to see it right there, because we're going to pull it, when it comes through, we're going to pull it out of this hole, okay? So put it through. Do our best to line it up, that notch. See what I'm doing here? See how it's coming through? Right there. If you have a pick, it'd be even easier. You can reach your pick down there, grab that piece of rope. So when you do get it through, this is how it's gonna look. Through there, right where the notch is, into the middle of the pulley, and out this hole right here, okay? Once you get it out this hole, you just tie a simple knot. Pull it back in there. And a lot of times, see how it's sitting right there? You're gonna need to take a screwdriver or whatever you can, shove that back in there, all the way down there. Now that you've got your cord into place, we're gonna find this notch right here, bring it to 12 o'clock. We're gonna give some slack. So we're gonna need to grab a hold of this rope right here, put it in the slot, put it in the notch, and we're gonna wind it counterclockwise 3 revolutions. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now with your thumb, you want to hold that pulley and let it wind. Okay, after it's wound, we're gonna do the same thing 2 more revolutions, okay? Around 2 more times. So 1, 2. Hold it with your thumb, pull it tight, and let it wrap. And that's it for that part. Now, I've got about this much cord left. What we're gonna do is get our old handle, take our old cord out of it, run our string into the handle, tie a simple knot, pull it through. You see how there's extra cord hanging like that? If you run into that, all you gotta do is come around, flip it over, and wrap it around one more time. And wrap it around that second time. There we go. That's it. Place this piece on the blower and we should be good to go. And that is how you change the pull cord on a Stihl BR 700 blower. Most blowers are the same, they get pretty close. So if this content helped you, please give me a like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. And then you're gonna let the pulley go.